Taking a look at weather tonight. Not a bad day, but there's always the but. There's a little rain coming tomorrow.
Yeah, are we going to get any storms with this too tomorrow?
There will be the threat for a few storms. I don't think a widespread severe event for us, but maybe some damaging winds, and there will be some heavy rain. And I'm going to let you know how much rain is going to fall here in just a second. We're going to start with a beautiful view over downtown Indianapolis. Isn't that gorgeous this evening?
Very nice.
Right now, temperature's still at 70 degrees. We've been in the 70s the last couple of days. Official high temperature this afternoon coming in at 76. No rain. By the way, that's 76, a good deal above where we should be for this time of year. Those temperatures are going to take a tumble over the next couple of days. Grab the umbrella and remember where the jacket is. We've got you covered through the start of the weekend. How much rain are we forecasting? Anywhere from an inch, inch and a half, maybe on the high side too, and that's going to fall over the next 24 to 48 hours. We've got rain in the forecast all the way through Friday night. We've got an hour-by-hour timeline for you coming up in just a second. No rain right now. We have to go a state away to find the leading edge. That has now made its way into the northwestern sections of Illinois. This is a long line of storms that extends from basically the UP of Michigan all the way through South Texas. They are dealing with the threat for severe weather. Texas into Oklahoma, into Kansas. This is the storm system that will start to move our way. That high risk for severe weather for now staying to our southwest. That's tonight. However, I do want to point out the leading edge of that severe weather risk does impact parts of central Indiana, and that will include tonight and tomorrow. Heavy rain, maybe some damaging wind gusts. Hour-by-hour timeline you can see with Future Track 13 shows the leading edge arriving late tonight, first thing tomorrow morning. Grab the umbrellas. You're going to need them off and on during the day tomorrow. Heavy rain will be a possibility at times. Future Track 13 keeps this around most of the day tomorrow. Umbrella weather tomorrow. It'll be jacket weather on Friday. Temperatures only in the 60s for highs tomorrow. Future Track 13 does show the majority of the heavy rain still around tomorrow night, this time into early Friday. Once we get into Friday, later in the day, we'll start to see that taper off, but it's going to be cool. We'll go from 67 tomorrow, off and on rain and storms, to only near 50 on Friday, 60 to start the weekend. Still lots of sunshine. Easter Sunday, 74.